camera action. This is our new barber studio, talking sports. Real barbers, real dudes, talking real life. Yes, stay tuned. Stay smooth. Don't move. You here with the Hot Boys. We got him Trump tight, but really I'm the one Trump tight. Because it's time for me to get a haircut, and these blades is hitting. But like I told y'all before, y'all know him, but y'all don't know him. Oh, he's a celebrity barber. He's my barber, and I'm going to let y'all meet him. When I drop these clippers off, we going to go to his house. But guess what? Y'all might all be saying, hey, what exactly is a celebrity barber? Well, you know what? The definition of a celebrity barber have three meanings. Number one, the first one, it's a barber who run to all sports events, running up on celebrity players, running up on concerts, sports events, basketball, football, soccer, baseball, concerts. And he run up on all these people. And what he do? He give them a card. He keep doing this day after day, year after year, until eventually he imposes his will on people and he get a chance to cut some of them. And you know what he'll do? Soon as he get him in the chair, what he do? Grab his phone, click, take a picture with him. Put him up on Instagram, and he tell everybody, bruh, I'm a celebrity barber. I charge $150 a cut. But is he really? Is he really a celebrity barber? Well, think of it like this. If I work at McDonald's, and I'm flipping burgers, and then LeBron come through the McDonald's line and order a cheeseburger, I hand the man a cheeseburger. Then I run home and say, I'm a celebrity chef. Does it make me a celebrity chef just because I made a burger for LeBron? No, I just made a cheeseburger for LeBron. And so all those dudes who do that, they're not celebrity barbers. They just a barber who happened to cut a celebrity hair and snap the picture, got on Instagram and told you he was a celebrity barber. Now here's the second meaning of a celebrity barber. It's a barber who really do cut celebrities. He actually worked on movie sets. He might even be an official instructor for Anders, Wall, Babyliss. He might even go to the award show and get an invite to come cut for these actors at these award shows. He might get flown in and out of state or country for a particular star, a celebrity, and he cuts their hair. He might even do interviews or shows. He is well known as a person who specifically cuts celebrities and even have a private celebrity that he worked for. That's a celebrity barber. Now, the third celebrity barber is a celebrity barber that you all created. How so? Well, he got millions of followers on YouTube. He got millions of views on his videos because of you watching them. And guess what? Usually they're really good barbers. They even teach you how to cut hair. And what they do is they take a whole hour. And of course, you know what they do. They time lapse every video. And they charge a lot of money because we made them famous by watching their videos and subscribing. But guess what? They teach you well. But you go home and try to do all the stuff that they do in that video, and you spend an hour on that one customer, they get $150, and they getting paid by YouTube, so they don't matter how long they take on that haircut, so they making money, and you get $25 from that one customer in 1 hour, because you followed everything he did in that video, and he time-lapsed it, but it took him an hour. Oh, he a celebrity barber, and every cut he do, you know what he do when they finish? Shoot that black paint on it, line is crispy, but that's a celebrity barber. Now, the fourth celebrity barber is only one in the world that exists. It's the celebrity barber that I created for you to see. It's my barber. He is a celebrity on his own, but he cut my hair. And y'all all know him, but you don't know him. And y'all gonna meet him.
94, time running out on the Jazz as Granger goes baseline, uncontested, and hammers it down. A walk in the park for Granger. 42 points for Danny Granger.
Yes, my barber is Danny Granger. Yeah, y'all know who I'm talking about. That dude. If you look at that 2011 2K joint, Y'all know who he is. Y'all know what he did on the East Coast when he was with the Pacers. And guess what? He went to all states. The Heat, the Clippers, the Pacers. That's probably why his Clippers rusting out. But I'm going to take y'all to his house, and y'all going to see homeboy cut my hair. So, all right, let's lace these bad boys up. Let's get ready. We about to go. Yeah, we going to go see my barber, the real celebrity barber. All right, y'all. Let's do it. All right. Put the clippers in the trunk. We about to go drop these clippers off. As I told y'all before, these clippers crispy. They ready. They from my barber, celebrity barber. Y'all gonna get a chance to meet him. And as you can see, we live in the desert. He don't live in the desert. He about an hour away. He up there in a different area. So check it out. Y'all gonna go with me for the journey and meet my boy. All right, let's get this baby going. I said, we on this dirt road. A lot of y'all think I live in the boonies, which some of y'all probably right, but it ain't that bad, bro. It's just a dirt road, you know. But within seconds, once I get out of here, I'll be on the street. It don't take that long, but I can't get to a real street after being out here in this desert. And you'll see once I hit that pavement and get out of the desert, it's just like being in the city, bro. Yeah, so here we go. Now we got real pavement. We out here in the real world now. Now let's get it. Yes, sir. Right across the street, you can see his real house. Alright, I'm gonna call him right now so we can drop these clippers off. And that way he can come out.
Yo.
Hey, what up, Daddy?
You ready?
Yeah, I want you to, I'm here, I'm at the house, bro. Oh, alright, so yeah, just come on out. I'm in front of the house. I'm bringing the stuff to you and chop everything up and let you see the clip. Alright, see. Alright. What's going on, man?
What's up?
How you been, man?
What's happening, man?
Yeah, I got the
What's
clip,
happening,
bro.
man? What's happening,
Yeah,
man?
nice to see you, bro. Hey, bro, I'm gonna sit these baby boys right here.
Okay.
And you go ahead and look through them. Tell me what you think. I restore stuff, pull out your hitters. Let me know what you think about these joints.
These are my favorite ones right here. Oh, you got those nice. Oh, those are back. All right, let me see my other cord. These are the ones I use the most. My cordless
yeah,
ones
for
right
sure.
here. Yeah. They even, they clean.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Was you able to get the rust off those other ones?
Oh yeah, I did. Pull them jammies out, bro. I wasn't playing.
Okay.
Yeah, them boys ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, you brought these back to life.
Oh, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, man, our clipping service is nice.
It is,
But
man.
what's more important than that is they're gonna be nice for me to get a cut. Hey, right now, a lot of cats send me messages and they like, bro, your boy, nah, we seen him hoop. We know he nice, but he ain't nice with the clippers, bro. They don't believe it, man. These cats don't believe it.
All right, well, I can cut you right now.
Oh, nah, we gotta do it. We gotta do it big time. We gonna have you come down to the studio. We gonna let you cut me at the studio. We gonna talk sports, talk real life, real dudes, real life, real barbers, talking smack.
All right,
All right?
do it. Let's do it.
That's what's up.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, for sure. All right, y'all gonna see us down at the spot. We gonna chop it up. And I'm gonna get my hair cut. Got them 360 Dramamine waves, and we gonna get this taper.